Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. I am Tengku Anuar, a senior lecturer and medical parasitologist at the Faculty of Health Sciences, Universiti Teknologi Mara. Today, we are so excited to share our project entitled Wintergreen Oil, a novel method for clear and safe staining technique. Introducing our team members who involved in this project. Let us dive into the background of this project. The identification of intestinal protozoa requires examination of permanent stain smear, which provides detail and contrast when used with the preserved specimen. Previously, permanent stain smear was employed for cytological detail, accurate diagnosis as well as keeping permanent record. Trichrome stain was originally developed by Gomori for staining tissue section and cytological smear. However, in 1951, Whitley modified Gomori technique by adding fixation and dehydration steps, resulting in a simple and rapid staining procedure for intestinal amoeba and flagellate. Trichrome staining usually performed on polyvinyl alcohol fix or Chaudin solution preserved stool specimen. In order to give a better visualization, xylene was used as a clearing agent, which enabled examination of intestinal protozoa with diagnostic detail. Do you know that the excessive use of xylene in the staining procedure can cause Raynaud phenomenon? Globally, the prevalence of primary Raynaud phenomenon varies among different populations from 4.9% to 20.1% in women and 3.8% to 13.5% in men. What is Raynaud phenomenon? Raynaud phenomenon is a problem that causes decreased blood flow to the fingers. In some cases, it also causes less blood flow to ears, toe, nipples, knees or nose. This happens because of spans of blood vessel in those areas. The spans happen in response to chemical exposure, cold or temperature. Therefore, introducing innovation known as Wintergreen Oil, a novel method for clear and safe staining technique. This technique is used for species identification and developmental stages of intestinal protozoa either from preserved or fresh stool specimen. Most importantly, it can reduce the risk of getting Raynaud phenomenon. The study was conducted in order to evaluate the use of wintergreen oil in comparison with xylene in Whitley's trichrome staining technique as the reference technique. In a blind comparison, 100 collected stool samples from the Orang Asli community were examined. Important feature for specific identification at microscopic level and morphological quality, including clarity of sample after clearing process was studied. After smear on the cover slip dry, place the cover slip in tincture iodine for 50 minutes. Place cover slip in 2 changes of 70% alcohol for 5 minutes each. Place cover slip in trichrome stain for 10 minutes. Next, immediately place cover slip in acid alcohol for 4 seconds. Then, place cover slip in 90% alcohol for 3 minutes. Then, place cover slip in absolute alcohol for 3 minutes. Finally, place the cover slip in wintergreen oil for 5 minutes to ensure all the excessive stain has been cleared. Apply DPX mountain medium to the cover slip and allow the smear to dry at room temperature for 1 hour. Finally, examine the slide microscopically by using trinocular microscope Olympus BX41 for nuclear detail. The result of this comparison revealed that no additional distortion or shrinkage of protozoa was observed in a modified technique when compared with the standard technique. The protozoa appeared more deeply stained. Peripheral chromatin and karyosome of entamoeba histolytica trophozoite clearly observed in modified technique. The remnant flagellum, exostyle and parabasal body of Giardia intestinalis trophozoite were also clearly observed in modified technique. A generally modified technique demonstrates better contrast background for entamoeba coli trophozoite when compared with a standard technique. In optics, the refractive index of a substance is a number that describes how light or any other radiation propagates through that medium. Now, moving on to the novelty of this product. First, it is found that the use of wintergreen oil helps to reduce shrinkage. Second, wintergreen oil has never been used as a clearing agent in the staining of parasitology sample. Finally, wintergreen oils gives clearer visual of a stained organism due to its high refractive index 1.536. Finally, this product can give significant impact towards society. First, xylene is potentially hazardous to the environment due to its poor biodegradability and corrosiveness. Second, with the use of the wintergreen oil, it is much easier to eliminate use solution. Last but not least, no proper system of disposal is necessary. Next, the commercialization potential of this product is considerable, presenting an opportunity to be used in 210 registered medical laboratories across Malaysia. Next, in terms of awards and publication, this product has won gold medal and best product in science and technology in the International Innovation Teaching and Learning 2016. It also has been published in the Journal of Microbiological Methods Index in GCR Quartile 3. In conclusion, elimination of toxic carcinogenic and fire hazard make wintergreen oil the preferred choice in routine parasitology examinations. Let us support the WHO Sustainable Development Goal 3 and 4. With that, thank you.